But God will never forget the needy. The hope of the afflicted will never perish. Psalm 9 verses 18. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. It is about to go down with this delicious and very spicy beef light soup. I really think you need to save this recipe for your next light soup. Okay, go and get all your ingredients ready and let's make this delicious beef light soup with some fufu. There are very few ingredients needed and you will be so surprised. Here I have my fresh cow meat, that is the beef. I have here some vegetables. Here you find onions, peppers, tomatoes, carrots and zucchini. Go ahead and substitute the zucchini with some eggplant, and here I have some tomato paste, ginger, some okra, some aniseed and thyme. I also have all natural spice blend, which I'm going to also link here. I've already shared the video. Okay, so I'll start by prepping all my ingredients. I'm dicing my onions and ginger into this tiny forms because I'll be asking today my asanka or apotoyewa to help me. I'm going to grind it the local way because I have come to realize that it tastes better. Trust me, it does taste better, but go ahead and use your blender anyways if you don't have the mussels ready today. Okay, so I'm going to add my thyme and aniseed, and I'll go ahead and grind it until I get the texture that I prefer. Now that all the preps are out of the way, let's go ahead and start with the base of the soup. So in my pot, I'm going to add my meat. As you can see here, it's just cow meat, nothing else, okay? And I'm going to add my all-purpose natural seasoning, some salt. Make sure you add enough salt right at the beginning, okay? And as I always say, salt is always dependent on your taste buds, okay? Use the amount of salt that you prefer. Now I'm adding all my grinded ingredient, that is the ginger, onions and a bit of aniseed and thyme. I'm going to rinse it a little bit with water. Just make sure you do not add too much water at the beginning of your steaming process. Meat contains lots of its own delicious and flavorful juices. If you add too much water, you're going to deprive it from its bringing it out. So please be sure not to use too much water, okay? So cover it, allow it to steam for about 10 minutes on its own, and the aroma is just so amazing. This kitchen is on fire. I'm going to stir it a little bit more and cover it for it to continue steaming for the next 5 minutes. Oh boy, those delicious and flavorful juices coming out from the meat is just everything. So here I'm going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste, aka tin tomatoes. And I'm going to stir it very well. Once everything is well incorporated, I'll cover it and allow it to steam for an extra 3 minutes. So 3 minutes later, it's now time to add more liquids. We're going to add about 2.5 liters of water. We want it very light. We are making light soup, not thick soup. There are a lot of people who will prefer their soup to be a little bit thicker. If that is the case, you want to go ahead and reduce the amount of water or add lots more vegetables if that's what you prefer. Okay, so I'm going to now go ahead and throw in all my vegetables, and please do not forget your carrots. They are so important in my soup. They make it extra tasty. And if you love heat, if you love proper heat, please do not forget an extra ginger in here. Okay, allow this to boil for the next 7 minutes or so. You want it to vigorously boil, okay, leaving all the juices from the vegetables in the soup. You may also decide to boil the vegetables on the side, totally dependent on you, but trust me, making everything in one pot, there is less dishes to wash afterwards. All right. and more flavors as well. Now I'm going to remove all my vegetables and give it a very smooth blend and pour it back to the soup. If your blender is not very powerful, you may want to also strain it just so that you have the most smoothest soup ever. Okay, so that is it. We are almost done. Those beef were just cooked so perfect, and all these vegetables is also, you see how light the soup is now. All the vegetable we're going to blend is also going to serve as a thickener. It's going to give it a bit of consistency, and also, as usual, I always say, flavors as well. Okay, so good. It smells amazing in here. Trust me, you will love this recipe. Go by the step-by-step recipe and you will not regret it at all. Trust me, if you follow this step-by-step recipe, your soup is going to be the talk of the town. Everybody will want to know the secret, and this is the secret that I've spilled here. Please be sure to put them in your pocket. It really is going to take you far. Okay, so here I'm going to add some dried catfish. Very optional, but I think it gives it extra flavor as well, and some extra peppers for those who want heat. This is just so amazing, and I really hope you give this a try. So all that we're going to do is allow it to simmer on a low medium heat for about 5 minutes, and our soup should be ready. Oh, the aroma alone is just so incredible. I am feeling all the spices here, especially the ginger is giving me those kick that I love to have in my beef fly soup. It is amazing. Of course, with a very delicious and tasty soup like this, we're going to be pairing it with our almighty fufu. We have some plantain fufu here. I've already shared a video of how I make it. It is very easy, so please be sure to click on it and watch. All right, it's now time to serve and enjoy. It is just so lovely to have. It was so cozy. The weather was super cozy. It was raining a little bit, so this was just perfect for the weather. African mom, I'm just making sure everybody is well served. Okay, so there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching. I do really appreciate your time. I cannot thank you all enough, and please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. It really helps. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.